Hello, in this lesson we are going to set up OpenCV on a Mac for Xcode. This couldn't be simpler. You want to open up a web browser. You want to type in Homebrew Mac. We can go directly to the website brew.sh. There'll be a link in the description. Copy this command, and Homebrew is a package manager considered to be the missing package manager for Mac OS X by many, and I believe so as well. Homebrew is one of the best things that Mac has, or Mac can have once you've installed it, from a developer perspective. It allows you to download packages and frameworks like, OpenCV for this video. We got GLSW, STL, SFML, and a wide variety of other frameworks. The benefit is you don't have to download it yourself. Locate it first, download it, then build it, then put it in some place, and keep it up to date. Homebrew does all of that for you. So copy this and open up terminal. Paste this in here. Press return. Now just type in your password. My password is being typed. It is just not showing anything for security purposes. This will download and install Homebrew. For me, this is going to be over very quickly in a few seconds, but for you, it won't be over that quickly because you most likely haven't already installed it. For me, most of it was already up to date, so it didn't have to do anything. Now we can actually, so I'm typing the clear command. That's just to get rid of it. That's just optional step. And now what we'll do is install Homebrew. So in the Homebrew, OpenCV. So type in brew, which is the command for using Homebrew. Install. So we're going to install something, and OpenCV. So like so. That is what you need. Click enter, and this will do the same. For me, I've already got it installed, so it's fine. And now we've got it all. It's already installed on our system now. So if we open up Xcode, and so let me see these installing components and create a new Xcode project. Just do the command line tool under Mac OS. So Mac OS command line tool. Next, and I want to call this OpenCV test. For language, select C++, click next, and now save it somewhere. I'm going to save it to my desktop, create. So what you want to do now is just link the framework and libraries. So you want to just right click, and you want to go to add files to OpenCV test. This will pop up. Just click the / on your keyboard, and then this will pop up, and then type in, let me zoom in so it's easier for you to see. So /usr /local /lib, click enter. This will open this folder. This is where our library files for OpenCV, as you can see, have been installed. You want to select all of the, let me just make this a little bigger. You want to select all of the files that have 3.3.1 at the end, or whatever the latest version that you downloaded is. And you might be thinking, oh, do I need all of these libraries? And honestly, no, you don't. Depending on what functionality of OpenCV you want, you may or may not need it. But for the purpose of this tutorial and to get set up, we'll just make sure everything's added, and then you can just remove what you don't need. Not that big anyway, so let's go through all the 3.3.1, or again, whatever the latest version for you is. So let's get in there. And we are slowly adding the libraries. We're on the D section now, so it won't be long. We're on C. We're hitting B. And that's it. All the other libraries are for other stuff. Click add. This will add all the libraries to our project. And just wait for them to all get added. And now we're done. So one last thing, if you select your project up here, so this, you want to select this. Now go to build phases. No, sorry, build settings. Make sure you've got all selected. Now in the search box, type in header search paths, and then this will filter into here, and you want the first header search path. So for this, if you double click over here, sort of where you can sort of see this vertical line and this command line icon, double click here. Now this will pop up. Click the plus, type in /usr/local, not lib this time, /include. So this is where the code files are placed for all the frameworks and packages you download using Homebrew. So now we can use our code files. So if we go to main.cpp, and if I were to type in hash include angle bracket, because we've integrated it into our system using Homebrew, and it's not just in our project. So we type in OpenCV. I press Control Space. As you can see, it's picked up the folders. Both are valid depending on what you need. So OpenCV2 / and the file is opencv.hpp. So let's build it. Make sure, nope, there's no angle bracket here. Now run it. There we go, build succeeded. And this is the, obviously actually we can't jump to definition, but we can actually use OpenCV code now. So if I were to type in, it is CV. So these are all CV methods. So you now have a project with Xcode set up on Mac for OpenCV. So enjoy OpenCV. And I look forward to seeing you in my next lesson.